It was a nationwide police operation targeting the heart of New Zealand's cannabis market. Late last month, Operation Lime came to a head as police descended on 35 locations and made more than 250 arrests.
Operation Lime was targeted to those people who we believe were knowingly supplying people who were intent on growing cannabis hydroponically and indoors.
Switched On Gardeners was just one of the hydroponic suppliers targeted in the police swoop, and since then managers, directors and employees of the company have appeared in court on drug-related charges. Switched On is allowed to keep doing business in the meantime as long as they keep a detailed record of what they sell and who to. That's got some fruit and veg growers worried they could be lumped in the same boat as criminals.
Stuart Atwood is production manager at Southern Paprika Limited, one of the largest capsicum growers in the country. They grow all their crop hydroponically. One look around the premises and it's plain to see this is either a very, very large smokescreen or the operation is above board.
We're one of the larger of the capsicum growers, in fact one of the largest glasshouses here in New Zealand. At 15 hectares, the biggest is around 20 to 30, 25 hectares.
But if growers like Southern Paprika use stores like Switched On to get their spare parts, they'll be required to give personal details and have everything they bought recorded.
Bail bonds currently talk about positive photographic identification being recorded and the details of the person, phone numbers, address and items that the person has purchased, together with the name of the person selling them the equipment.
If that rule applied to Southern Paprika, that could mean a lot more paperwork and a lot more cost.
I'd hope not. We're fairly reliant on these people for a regular supply of product.
Southern Paprika get most of their parts from Holland, but use local suppliers as well. Stuart Atwood can see how smaller suppliers using the stores in question might not be keen on a guilty until proven innocent process at the point of sale.
Absolutely, but just obviously on a much smaller scale and so therefore smaller amount of product.
I can see there may be some nervousness around that, but hopefully my assurance will satisfy those sorts of people.
Police swoops, drug charges and purchase records do nothing to help hydroponics' image as one leg propping up the drug industry. But the vast majority cater to legitimate plant and crop operations, and Stuart Alsop-Smith is quick to dispel rumours of police breaking down the doors of tomato growers.
If you are a hydroponics wholesaler or retailer selling equipment to legitimate customers, you have no cause for concern. We are not interested in those who are legitimately using hydroponic equipment to grow capsicums or lettuces or something like that.
He does have one word of warning though. Producing photo ID could be a major deterrent to drug growers using hydroponic suppliers, and equipment theft from legitimate users is a real possibility. Michael Wright, Country 99 TV News.